In today's video, I show you how I created this really fun, glowy, bold lip look, and it is a spring look because I've already seen a lot of stuff about summer, and I'm aware a lot of people are excited, but we are still very much in spring because summer is not officially until June. I just needed to share that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah. If you are new here, I upload beauty videos every Monday and Friday, so feel free to stick around and subscribe and hit the bell notifications. That way you'll get notified whenever I post. If you like this video and find it helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And if you want to see how I created this really glowy look, simple, but with a bold lip color, make sure you keep on watching. Before I get into the tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and tell you what I already have on my face. I already have my base makeup on, foundation, concealer, powder. I also already have my brows done, and I also already used lightly this like highlighter, liquid highlighter from the brand The Balm. I think that's all I have to tell you, so let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. Oh wait, also my eyes are already primed with a Smashbox 24-hour shadow primer, so I'll go ahead and do my eyes just because that's the routine that I've been doing lately. And I'm going to be using the Dream Street palette, the Kathleen Lights and ColourPop collaboration. The eye look is going to be very simple. I'm simply going to be using this shade right here, which is Twinkle in the crease, and then this shade, which is Elfish, and I'm going to be using that on my lid and also to highlight my brow bone. I'm going to be using this Luxie 243 brush to create my crease shade. Oh, also, I finally got my double helix piercing again. I have been thinking about doing an ear piercing video, honestly, basically since I've started my channel back in August. So I will eventually do that someday. We'll see when that's gonna be. And keep in mind, this might take a couple minutes, or you could honestly skip the eyeshadow step altogether. I just like it being a little defined, and I do still enjoy eyeshadow looks, even though this one is really simple, but it's not going to be the focus of the look today. So that is why I'm keeping it so simple. Now I'm going to go with the Sigma E52 and take that shade right here all over my lid. And I originally was going to go with a matte shade, but I like this because it has a little bit of shimmer, and I'm really going to try to have like a shimmery and glowy look in today's tutorial. That is it with eyeshadow. I'm not even going to do any eyeshadow on my lower line today just because, I don't know, I just want things to look as bright as possible. Next up, I'm going to go into contouring, and to do that, I don't know why I said contouring, it's so weird. I'm going to go into contouring. And to do that, I'm going to go in with the NARS Laguna bronzer, and once again, the Sigma F23 brush. Also, if you can't tell, I did self-tan my face and like my arms and stuff, so if I'm looking a little bit tanner, that is why. If you still can't tell a difference, like I've said 1,000 times before, I'm very pale, so it's totally fine if you can't tell a difference. Now to kind of create that all over bronze look, stay with me, but I'm doing a little something a little different. I'm going to be taking this fluffy brush from Crown and then this Sculpt shade, and I'm just going to lightly kind of apply it all over my face. The reason I didn't use the NARS Laguna bronzer, I don't think you can tell in the pan, but it actually has a slight shimmer, which I'm okay with for contouring, but I don't want shimmer all over my face. So I'm just like very lightly going to take this and then apply that all over my face. This is also what I did whenever I didn't have a foundation shade that matched my self-tanner. So you do what you gotta do. Well, I used a matte bronzer all over my face to kind of warm up my skin. But not doing that on the highlighted areas because I do still want that to be highlighted. Also, I recently got my eyebrows done, and that alone just gives me a lot of confidence. That is it with the contour. Now I'm going to highlight my cheekbones, and I just kind of mix these two shades together. This is Lit And then this is Fire, and I'm going to be using this It Brushes for Ulta fan brush to do that. I don't think I wanted to highlight the tip of my nose today, but I have been doing that a little bit more lately. And once again, since I want my skin to look as glowy as possible, well, I mean, my forehead, I still want to be matte because I have oily skin, but I do kind of want that healthy glow. I'm going to put a little bit of highlighter on my shoulders. That's what these are called. But first, I'm going to take the Body Shop Shea Lotion and kind of moisturize my shoulders a little bit, and then I'm going to go in and highlight that. Also, I have no idea where that bruise came from. I just bruise really easily, and there's a furniture truck outside. So now, while that still is not completely dried down, I'm going to be taking this brush to apply highlighter to my shoulder blades, and I just don't want to use the same one that I did for my face. I just don't want to do that. So swirl these together, and then I just kind of apply it on my shoulders. I think you can kind of see that. I'm not sure how much you can see on camera. And now I'm going to set my face, and I'm going to set that highlighter on my shoulders as well. For mascara, I'm going to curl my lashes, of course, as first, and I'm just going to be layering these mascaras. This is the Smashbox Superfan Mascara. This is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Unfortunately, they're almost out, but I still can get a pretty voluminous look, so I'll be right back after I apply mascara. Now I'm going to be going in with the lip color, which is what I really think ties this whole look together. To do that, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Lip Liner in Rush, and then the Urban Decay Liquid Lipstick in the shade ZZ. Yes. So first I'm going to align my lips and then fill them in. Now go over top of that with this liquid lipstick. And I've really been loving purple lip colors lately, specifically this one, and then also the Urban Decay lipstick in the shade Back Talk, which is kind of like a soft purple, but I think this is wearable, and I love how purple looks with this bright blue. I hope that you like this look. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Also, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell notifications. Once again, I upload beauty videos every Monday and Friday. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.